making immortal the handwriting of a dear person who already passed away. I was invited to create a font. You know, the typeface we choose to write something on a computer? Yes, that one. So, this font should be identical to Mrs. Zezé's handwriting to create a recipe book in her honor, as if she had written it herself. To achieve this, I carefully studied notebooks and notes written by Mrs. Zezé to understand how she wrote, and then simulated her handwriting using specific software. The result was a beautiful font and a wonderful book. The love of this family and everyone involved in the project can be felt by those who read her recipes. Let me know in the comments if you have someone's handwriting that you would like to immortalize as a font and use it on your computer.